In 6 months, 12 months, or 18 months, the stock market is going to drop in price significantly. So many people will be asking themselves, is this the perfect moment to sell the stocks since the stock market has been going up so much? Or is this a good moment to buy more stocks? So in this video, I would like to show you my personal experience, how these decisions have made a big difference in my life, and how this helped me retire next year in 2025. From all the videos that you have seen in my channel, I consider this to be one of the best videos that I have created so far. So I welcome you, all the new subscribers, because I know you're going to learn so much in this video. In this moment, when I make this video, which is September 2024, the stock market have been going up so much, and we have received so many great benefits from all these increases. We are all super happy with all the returns that we have received so far. I have had many years where the stock market have returned to me more than what my employer pays me every single year. One of the examples is the year 2020, when the pandemic came to the world and the stock market crashed completely. This is when I was buying stocks so heavily because the stock market reacted to something where the world changed and closed completely and everybody was scared. So when the stock market returned to normal and everybody sold in the worst time possible, I made more money in my investments than what my employer was paying me at that time. So it doesn't matter if you make euros or you make pesos or you make US dollars. This works exactly the same anywhere. Imagine if you can grow your investments more than what you can make with your current employer, no matter what your salary is right now. So now we come to 2021, year 2021, where the stock market continued to grow. And this have created more income in my investments than whatever my employer was paying me in that year as well. But this is not always like that. So in year 2022, even though I continued to invest a good portion of my salary into the stock market, I ended up 20% down in my entire net worth just because the stock market collapsed so hard in 2022. Imagine all the money that you have accumulated dropping 20% in just 1 year. And this is the problem when many people, instead of investing more, buying these stocks or these companies at a very low price, they actually end up doing the opposite, which is selling their stocks at a loss. And this is where many people don't grow their investments in the future. So keep in mind this that you have seen in my channel. I do not sell my stocks. And this is what have allowed me to make more money from my investments than my own job. And now this brings me to 2023, where again, I generated more money from my investments than my own employer. And this brand new account we created at the end of 2022 actually generated more than 90% in the entire year 2023, which is amazing. And that brings me to this year 2024. Since our accounts have grown so much, now even though the percentage of gains this year 2024 have been lower than 2023, the amount of money that it has generated so far in this September 2024, when I'm recording this video, it has generated me more money than what my employer have paid me so far this year, 2024. So this is the reason why I decided to retire in 2025, because I am to a point where my investments can actually make me more money than what my employer is paying me at this moment. So in 2022, when all the stock market was so low, I decided to create my VIP club, where I show you what would I do if I had to start all over from zero, so I can show you how you can create wealth with your own income and how these investments can multiply your money for the future. So during 2022, when the stock market was crashing completely, I continued to buy stocks every single week, where I invest $250 just in a brand new account that I created for this VIP club. In my personal accounts, I continue to buy more stocks in 2022. So the main message that I want to transmit to end this video is that in 6 months, 12 months, or 18 months, the stock market is probably going to crash again. So it's up to you to not get scared, but instead taking advantage of all these great opportunities that the stock market is going to bring to us, giving us all these companies with great net incomes and great growth opportunities at a very low price. And there is actually a way that I have been making money with my stocks without selling my shares. And you hear me right. There is a way that I have been making extra income every year from my stocks without selling my shares. And all this information, I have been showing it in my VIP club that you can scan with your phone, or look at the description of this video where I have shown how I am making extra money every single year from my investments without selling any single share. So if you are not part of my VIP club yet, I invite you to become part of these successful investors who I'm showing how I invest $250 every single week. So you can see how many stocks and what stocks I'm buying every single week. And yes, this week I am buying more shares too. We have had an amazing 2024, and I hope you're getting ready because the best is yet to come.